So over the last decade, commissions for stock trading have dropped all the way down to zero virtually across the board. But because of that, there's now a number of different commission-free stock trading platforms to choose from that the choice can just be a little bit overwhelming for a lot of people. So in this video, we're going to break down two of the most popular options for stock market trading. These are going to be Firstrade and Webull. So if at any point you want to sign up for either of these services during the course of the video, we'll have links down in the description and pinned comment below that you can use to both support the channel and also get yourself some free stocks in the process, which we'll be talking about in just a little bit. But diving right into things, let's start off with Webull. So Webull is basically a commission-free platform for trading things like stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. The platform is designed for an active trader that knows what they're doing and wants access to a comprehensive suite of research tools and data. The platform also offers a number of different retirement accounts, so if you want to invest for the long term and reap some tax benefits in the process, Webull could be a great platform for doing just that. Additionally, they have a $0 account minimum, they offer commission-free short selling, and they give you real-time market data for free. So all in all, pretty versatile platform that appeals to a wide variety of, like I said, mostly active traders. Now, to get people in the door, Webull, as well as many other stock market investing platforms, offers a free stock promotion. This basically allows you, if you sign up for the platform, they're going to give you some free stocks to entice you to potentially start trading with their services. Now, their current promotion is to give you 2 free stocks when you sign up for an account and deposit at least $100. Now, the first stock you get just for opening up the account, and then the second one you get when you again fund with that $100 or more. These stocks are chosen on a random lottery basis and can range anywhere from a few dollars in value all the way up to $1,850 per share. So you could potentially be getting upwards of $3,000 just for signing up for this platform if you get pretty lucky. Now, this promotion does tend to change from time to time, so if you use the link in the description below, it'll take you to the most current promotion just in case there's a better one available than the 2 free stocks. Now, when it comes to Webull's features, there's a number of different things to talk about, but we're going to hone in on just the most important and most useful features for most investors out there. The first of which is going to be their technical indicators. So if you're someone that is actively trading stocks, technical analysis or kind of looking at stock charts and determining, okay, do I think this stock is going to continue to go up, go down, change course? That's what technical indicators kind of allow you to do and find those patterns within the charts. So Webull offers over 40 different technical indicators for you to utilize when you're making your investment decisions, which is going to be pretty comprehensive. For most traders out there, they only focus in on a couple of different technical indicators, so having over 40 available to you allows you to pursue a number of different trading strategies. Now, when you're ready to move on a stock, on Webull, you're actually able to buy fractional shares, meaning that you don't have to buy full share increments when you're trading stocks. So for example, let's say you want to buy some Amazon stock that's currently trading in the thousands of dollars per share. On some other platforms, Firstrade included, you're not able to buy fractional shares. So if you want to buy Amazon stock, you have to buy a full share of Amazon stock. But on Webull, you could invest, say, $50 into Amazon stock or $10 into Amazon stock instead of ponying up thousands of dollars to buy a single share. Or say you're not ready to pull the trigger on an investment yet. Well, Webull also offers a virtual trading simulator that allows you to practice your trading without having any real money on the line. So let's say you're thinking about a trading strategy, you want to test it out first before you put any of your hard-earned cash on the line. You can do that on Webull by using the virtual trading simulator, testing out your strategies for maybe a couple weeks, a couple months, and then once you are confident that you know what you're doing, then you can put your real money on the line and start investing with that. This, again, is something that Firstrade does not yet offer. Then the last place that Webull really shines is in their cryptocurrency trading. So on the platform, like I mentioned, you've got access to stocks, options, ETFs or exchange traded funds, as well as cryptocurrencies. Now, at the moment, the cryptocurrency selection on Webull is somewhat limited. They do offer more of the well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., but they're not going to offer a lot of those smaller coins that you're going to have to go to crypto-specific platforms to invest in. But if you just want a little bit of exposure to Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can absolutely do that through Webull, again, commission-free. Now, shifting gears, let's talk a bit about Firstrade and where this platform really shines. Well, the platform's actually been around a lot longer than Webull. It's been around since 1985, so actually quite a long-standing platform when compared to many of the newer folks out there. Taking a quick look at what the platform has to offer, you've got things like stocks, ETFs, options similar to Webull, but then in addition to that, you've also got mutual funds and bonds. Now, while these aren't the most common asset classes for younger folks like myself to be investing in, they can be an attractive asset class for many investors out there. So if you're looking to invest in these asset classes commission-free, Firstrade could be a great place for you to look. Additionally, they've got a wide variety of account types available. So beyond just the couple of retirement accounts that Webull offers, Firstrade offers those as well as self-employment investing accounts, trust accounts, custodial accounts, and even partnership accounts if you've got kind of multiple people investing as one entity. In terms of minimums, you're also looking at a $0 minimum similar to Webull. However, if you want to trade with margin, there's going to be a $2,000 minimum there. Same kind of thing with Webull. You're not going to be able to get access to margin unless you've got at least $2,000. Now, one area where Firstrade really shines is in their international account availability. So unlike Webull, it's really only going to be available to folks in the US, except for a couple extenuating circumstances. Firstrade is available to folks in 20 plus different countries all across the world. So if you're someone who's not in the US, doesn't have a social security number, then Firstrade might be the only option available to you. So now diving in, let's talk about Firstrade's free stock promotion, because similar to Webull, they also do offer some free stocks if you sign up for an account. It's going to be a little bit different though. So with Firstrade, it's also a 2 free stock promotion currently, but again, link in the description will take you to the most current promotion. They tend to have little bonuses from time to time. So the 2 free stock promotion, both stocks are going to range anywhere in value from $3 all the way up to $200 per share. So clearly not quite as high in value as the Webull free stocks. But again, keep in mind that with those Webull free stocks, the odds are 99% of the time, it's going to be pretty unlikely that you get a stock worth upwards of $1,000. So I'd say the 2 promotions are fairly similar, at least in my opinion. You're also going to need to deposit $100 into your account in order to get both of those free stocks with Firstrade. Now, diving into the features, the first one that's going to set Firstrade apart from Webull is the dividend reinvestment plan. So with Webull, you're actually not able to reinvest your dividends into more shares of stock. So say you own Apple stock, Apple pays out $100 in dividends. With Firstrade, what you can do is take that $100, reinvest it into $100 worth of Apple shares. With Webull, that's not an option. You cannot reinvest your dividends on Webull currently. It's something that they might add over time, but for the active trader, that's not going to be as important. Whereas Firstrade tailored more towards active traders as well as long-term investors. So with the long-term investor, dividend reinvestment going to be a lot more important. Now, additionally, the types of accounts are going to be more substantial than Webull. So like I said, you've got a whole host of retirement accounts, you've got trust accounts, custodial accounts, etc., as well as international accounts that are going to appeal to folks without a social security number that are not based in the United States. Additionally, you've also got the Firstrade options wizard. Now, this is pretty cool if you are somebody who is interested in trading options, because it basically allows you to get a whole host of information about any potential options play you might want to make. Things like the likelihood of success, the potential value of that options contract, and dozens of technical indicators that you can use to evaluate this option before you go ahead and pull the trigger. So very, very useful stuff for active options traders. If that's not you, might not appeal to you, but in the case that you are interested in trading options, the Firstrade Options Wizard is going to be significantly more comprehensive than the options trading platform offered by Webull. So wrapping things up here, what is the verdict? Okay, which of these platforms is going to be better and where does each one shine? Well, for the active trader, Webull is probably going to be the better bet just because they do offer things like fractional shares, more technical indicators, and just a more kind of streamlined platform for the technical trader to use. Whereas if you're more of a longer term investor or you're somebody that's not based in the United States, then the international accounts and dividend reinvestment plan offered on Firstrade might be very attractive to you and draw you towards that platform. But either way, I mean, you can sign up for both platforms, experiment with both, get your 4 free stocks, get 2 from Webull, 2 from Firstrade, and kind of figure out which one is going to be best for you. Again, using those links in the description does help to support the channel, helps us make more videos like this. And if you want more information about Firstrade versus Webull, making that more informed decision, we have a full comprehensive breakdown on our website, investingsimple.com, that you can find by heading over to Google, searching for Webull versus Firstrade, and then clicking on that link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.